Whenever we say print this dict consisting of what? This all elements will be printed as a output. You want to create one more copy of that particular dictionary, it will create the copy of that particular dictionary. Without referring to the corresponding key, we are able to display the values that is present in the dictionary. Everyone, welcome to one more session on Python programming. We are discussing unit 2 in that Python data type. In this session, we are going to discuss one more data type called as dictionary. Myself, Indu J, Faculty of Computer Science Department, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Let us start today's session. What is Python dictionary? What this data type can do in Python programming language. We can say Python dictionary is a data type that can be used to store the data very effectively. So an effective data structure for storing the data in the Python is a dictionary. Here in the dictionary, we always store the values or the element in a pair, like a key and the value pair. What is key? Key should be a unique identity and value can be changeable. It should have a value for that particular key. That's how we are going to store the data or the elements within the dictionary. Here the dictionary is ordered, immutable or mutable. It can be both, because whenever we say key is always immutable and value is a mutable. So it is mutable and it does not allow multiple values. It is ordered, mutable or changeable, and it does not allow multiple values. Why? Because key always should be a unique one. You cannot repeat the key. You can repeat the value, but you cannot repeat the key. Okay, how we are going to represent, that is dictionary, will represent the dictionary using the flower braces separated by comma. The dictionary is used to store the data in the key value pair format. When we go to create the dictionary, we'll go with the example how it can be created. Then the elements key and the value are employed to create the dictionary within the flower braces. The key must consist of just one element. Key should consist of only one element where the value can have more than one values. Value can be any type such as list, tuple, integer, string, or it may be any data type. You can combine the data type in the values. Okay. Let us see how to create the dictionary. How we are going to create the dictionary and put the values into the dictionary. The Python dictionary can be created by placing the sequence of elements within the curly braces. And separated by comma. The syntax we have given, dict is a keyword which is used to create a dictionary. So we have a one dictionary name. For that, what we have a one key and one value. This should be a one element of the dictionary. Key and value will be one element, and this would be the second element of the dictionary. First element and the second element. You just cannot give a key and left the value, or you cannot give the value without the key. It should be always in the pair. So let us see the example. Here we have a dictionary name called this dict. What we are having in that, we are having the elements like brand. Which brand? The Ford is a brand. Then which model? Model is a key. For that, Mustang. Mustang is a model name, right? So which year it is developed? In the year 1964. So brand, model, and then the year are keys, right? Brand, model, and then the year are considered as keys, whereas Ford, Mustang and 1964 are considered as values. Okay. This, whenever we say print this dict consisting of what? All elements will be printed as a output. One more way of creating the dictionary is by using the method called dict. So this is a method what we have to create a dictionary. Here we are creating the empty dictionary. What do you mean by empty dictionary? A dictionary is created but no value is given, no element is there within the dictionary, right? So we are creating the empty dictionary. Print dict will print you what? Empty dictionary. As the printf statement, it will print you the empty dictionary. This is the output for the given program. Okay. Then see one more example using a dict keyword or dict method. Here I am creating the dictionary. The name of the dictionary is dict. I am using one method called dict. What is the method we are using? Dict. Dict is a method that is used to create the dictionary. One is a what? Key, and for that key what value I have given? Vidhyaashram first grade college, right? Yeah, VFG, Vidhyaashram first grade college. Then for the 2 is a key again. Here the value is 4 and 3 is a key again, value is BCA. It has to be in the pair always. So when we say print dictionary, what it will supposed to print? It will supposed to print 1 VFG, 2 and 3 BCA. It prints all the elements when we are creating, which is element is given, that will be printed as a output for you. Another example here, we can say we can create the dictionary with using the list and tuple, what we said, right? So this is the example for you. That dict is a method. Within this method, what I am using? I am using one set or tuple here, and I am using one more tuple. So here the value is given not with the colons, by separated with the comma, because we are using the set here. Right, 1 is a key. Defaultly it will accept 1 as a key and VFG as a value of that particular key, 2 as a key, and we have for the value of that particular dictionary. So dictionary with the each term as a pair. Here 1 is a pair with VFG and 2 is a pair with 4. So what it will be print? It will be print these 2 sets. Okay, these 2 sets will be printed as the element of the dictionary. So hope all of you understood how to create the dictionary. We can create the dictionary just by giving the name. Dictionary name is equal to assignment operator and opening brace, flower brace and key value pair. This is one way of creating the dictionary, and the second way of creating the dictionary by using the dict method. Let's see how to access the element within the dictionary. How we are going to access? Definitely, as we have done with the list and then the strings, we are going to access using the index value, right? But here we are using the key value to access the values within the dictionary. To access the item of the dictionary refers to its key. What we are giving? We are taking key as a reference. Key can be used inside the square braces. Okay, how we are to supposed to give the value to access inside the square braces we are supposed to give. Consider this is my one dictionary. How I am going to access that particular dictionary within the square braces? Next, I want name, which has to be displayed. Name is a keyword. For that, which value is there, that will be displayed in the output. Okay, 4 will be displayed for that particular key. Here print accessing the element using the key means 1 is my key, right? 1 is my key. Using that, I am going to print 1 as VFG, right? So this would be the output when we are accessing. How we are going to access it? By representing the key value within the square braces, we can access the value or the items within the dictionary. So then what are the operations we have on the dictionary, right? As we have a different operation in the list, tuple, set, every string, we have a different operation on the dictionary as well. So updating an existing value in the dictionary can be done by using the built-in function called update method. What we are doing? We are adding some more elements to the dictionary which is already created. How we are going to add? We are going to add using the method called update. So here in the last previous example, what we had, dict of 2 is equal to B.Ca. We have 2.B.Ca, right? So was a previous example. For that, what I am giving it as welcome. I am updating the key that is at the second key by the value welcome. In place of B.Ca, it will be replaced by the string welcome. While adding a value, if the key value is already exist, the value gets updated. Otherwise, a new key with the value will be added. Since the 2 is already a key, we are updating B.Ca to welcome. So, if key is not there already, if I have a 3, then it will give you welcome. Like this. Okay. If key is already there, it will update the old value with the new value. If key is not there, then it will create the new key and value pair. So, dict of 5 means 5 is not there. So, what we are saying, it is we are nested a particular list within the dictionary. We are nesting the dictionary within the dictionary. So, here you can see 1 is a keyword and life is a value. 2 is a keyword and Greek is a value. Right. So, that will be nested within the dictionary called nested dictionary. So, that means you can nest the dictionary within the dictionary, or you can nest the dictionary with the strings, with the list, with the tuples. Any data type can be put within the dictionary, nesting the dictionary. Next, what we have is another operation. What we can do on the dictionary is the item of the dictionary can be deleted by using the delete keyword. What is one more operation we are going to discuss? That is delete. One we have discussed is update and delete. Any item or the value can be deleted from the dictionary. How we are going to delete? By using the delete method. Right, delete dict of 1. What I am giving? Key value I am giving. So, this key value, whatever is there, that will be deleted. Fine. And then data after deleting the dictionary will be printed here. Name, for and 3 B.Ca, because 1 is deleted from the previous dictionary, and then now the dictionary value will be having only 2 elements. What are the built-in functions we have in the dictionary? What all functions we can use, methods we can use in the dictionary? Clear. Clear is a one function that remove all the item from the dictionary. Instead of deleting each and every item of the dictionary, if I call the function or the method clear with the dictionary name, if it is a dictionary d.clear, it will clear the all items that is present there in the dictionary. Then copy, returns the shallow copy of the dictionary. You want to create one more copy of that particular dictionary, it will create the copy of that particular dictionary. Then from keys one more method that creates the dictionary from the given sequence. Means you are creating the sub dictionary over the dictionary. That is, for particular given sequence, it will create separate dictionary. As we are creating a substring from the given string, we can create the sub dictionary from the given dictionary. Then get returns the value for the given key. Means which key we are supposed to access. If that key is given, it will get the value of that key. Then items. Item is a method used to get the key value pair. Both it will display key as well as it will display the value. It returns the list with all the dictionary keys with their values. Okay, then what is key function is used? returns the view object that displays the list of all the keys in the dictionary. It will displays what? Only how many keys are there in that particular dictionary, that will be displayed using the function or the method called keys. Apart from that, some more functions or the methods what we have is dict clear. How we are done with the dict clear? Dictionary name with the clear method called dictionary name, with the copy method called dictionary get key default is equal to none. What this happens, it will returns the value. Get means particular key, whichever the key we want to access, that will access that value. Then dict items. What items gives? Items gives key and value, both the pair. That is what? It returns the list containing the tuple of each key value pair. It will display both the key as well as the value. Keys will return what? Keys will return only the key elements that is present in there in the particular dictionary. Update, how we are going to update? Dict dot update which dictionary is supposed to update, that has to be sent as a parameters. Update dictionary with the specific key and value pair. Then values, it returns only the value. As the key returns only the keys present in the dictionary, value returns only the value that is present in the dictionary. Pop is used to eliminate or delete the particular item on the specified key location. Okay, pop is what? If I am giving pop of 1, right? So it will remove the first key element from the dictionary. So pop item removes the last inserted key value. It will remove the last inserted key value. We are not passing the parameter for the pop item method. So dictionary select default, key default is equal to none. If the key value is not declared, then that key value will be selected itself as a default key. Says the key to be the default value if the key is not specified in the dictionary. We are not specified any key within the dictionary, that will be set itself to the default value. Key has key. It has dictionary key and has underscore key. It will give you whether the given key what you are searching for, whatever the given key is present in this dictionary or not. It will always return the boolean value. If it is present, returns the true. If it is not present, it returns the false. So returns the true if the dictionary contains the specified key, which is a specified key that is given as a parameter. Dictionary dot get key default is equal to null. What we are getting here? Used to get the value specified for the passed key. Which is a passed key? This is a passed key. Whichever the key we are passed, that will be getting the specific value out of that. These are how we are going to use the methods in the dictionary. Next, we'll move on to the population and traversing the dictionary. What do you mean by traversing the dictionary? Dictionary traversing is nothing but visiting each item of the dictionary, each element of the dictionary is called traversing. It means accessing a Python dictionary and traversing the key value present in the dictionary. Means you should visit. As array traversal we have done, right? To check how many elements are there and what all the elements are there. To print those elements, we are traversing the array. Similarly, here we can traverse the dictionary to check how many elements are there and what all the key value pairs we have within that particular dictionary. There are multiple ways to iterate through the dictionary. Iterate means going through the dictionary. There are multiple ways to traverse to the dictionary. So there are 5 ways to travel through the dictionary. The first is iterate the Python dictionary using the built-in keys method. What keys method will do? We'll see with the example. We have already discussed what key method will do. Key method will print only the key value that is present in the dictionary. That is one of the way how we are traversing the dictionary. The second method, by using the value method. By using the value method, it display all the values that is present there in the dictionary. And the Python dictionary using a loop. You can use a for loop to print or to traverse all the elements present in the dictionary. Then iterate the key value pair by using the item. Item will give you what? Item method. It will give you both key and the value will be displayed as an output. Using the map function, you can traverse the dictionary whether given key element is there or not. You are mapping that with the dictionary, and using the Python zip method. Zip method also we can traverse or we can print the element of the dictionary. Let's see each of these 5 iteration process or traversing process one by one with an example. Here the first one what we have is using key method. Keys method is not only key, it is keys. Yes, should be there. It is inbuilt function, you have to use as it is provided. Then it returns the view object that displays a list of all the keys in the dictionary. It displays what? All the keys that is present in the dictionary. Say, for example, I have one dictionary called state and capital. What is my dictionary name? Dictionary name is state and capital. How many elements I am having? I am having 3 elements. Gujarat is my state, so it will act as a key. And Gandhinagar is a capital of that state, act as a value. Okay. Gandhinagar is a capital of Gujarat, so we have given the name of the dictionary as state and capital, and its capital. So Maharashtra, what is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai, which is a key here. Maharashtra is a key and Mumbai is a value. Then Rajasthan is a key and Jaipur is a value. Bihar is a key and Patna is a value. We have having the 4 elements in the dictionary. So key is equal to state and capitals dot keys. What I am giving here? I am taking the method called key. Method called keys. What it's going to print? Whatever the keys are there, that will be stored in the variable called keys, and that will be printed. What would be the output for that? All the keys. So it will be printed as output Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Bihar. So this would be your output once we say print keys. Next method what we have is accessing or traversing the dictionary using the method value. Right? Traversing the dictionary using the method values. This method allows you to process or display each individual value in the dictionary without exploiting the referencing the corresponding key. Without referring to the corresponding key, we are able to display the values that is present in the dictionary. So how we are going to do? The same dictionary what we have taken, state and the capital. Now here you can see list of the given capitals. What we are going to print? Only the values, that is the capitals of the particular states. So here what we are doing? We are taking one variable called capital in which dictionary states and capital, accessing that state and capital dictionary by using the values method. So it will print all the capitals. What we have is output as Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Jaipur and Patna. So this will be printed. Only the values will be printed. This and this will be printed when we use a method called value. Next what we have? Accessing through the loop. How we are accessing? Using for loop. This loop automatically iterates over the keys following the access each of the key directly. So what we are doing? We are giving the iteration procedure. For loop is completed, it will go to accessing the key. One for loop is completed, go to accessing the key, increment the value of key like that. So let's see the example. The same dictionary what we have, state and capital. Here we are going iteration over the keys. For state is a variable in state and capital. What I am supposed to print? I am supposed to print all the states that is there in this particular dictionary. So it will be printed Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and then the Bihar. It will be printed using the for loop. Next type of iteration, next type of traversing, how we can do by using the items. What items will give you? It will give you both the key as well as a value pair. So, item methods returns the view object that contains both the key and value pair. So, same example what we are accessing for key value within the particular dictionary, that is state and capital. What I am accessing? I am accessing the elements of this dictionary for both key as well as for value. So, it will be taken as key and value. We have to print both key and value. So, it will give you the dictionary item as it is as a output. Okay, this will be your output again. Next, one more method of traversing is by using a get function or map function and dict get. What we are doing here, it applies the dict get function to each key, returning the map object of corresponding value. It will map the object of corresponding value. Object is nothing but key. It will map the key with its corresponding value. This allows the direct iteration over the dictionary keys, effectively obtaining their values in consistent manner. So here the same example, map key. Map key is a keyword where we are mapping what? Mapping this particular dictionary to get what? To get state as well as capitals of that state. So, from going for, we are using the iteration procedure again. We have to print what? Keys. We have to print keys means map keys. So, we have to visit map key each iteration of the for loop and we have to print the key. What will be the output? It will print the key as well as the value of that particular key. Next method, by using the zip function. So, using the zip function in the Python, you can access the key of dictionary by iterating over the tuples of the dictionary. Then the key and value will simultaneously be displayed. So, the same example what we have is a state and capital. What we are doing here, we are zipping two things. What we are zipping? We are zipping the state, we are zipping the capital. What do you mean by zipping? Combining together. We are combining. When we open the zip, it will be aparted. When we close the zip, it will be combined, right? So, that is closing the zip. Zipping, combining two things together. So, zip function, we are calling the zip function on what? On the given dictionary, right? This is a given dictionary. It will access the keys. We are giving the zip to access the value. What we have already studied, using key, it will display only the key element, and using value, it will display only the value element, right? So, these whatever we get from the key and whatever we get from the value, that will be combined together and it will be displayed. The capital of the state and capital of the zip, the elements of the states and the element that is there in the capital, both will be displayed. So, this complete thing will be your output for using the zip function. Hope all of you clear with the zip function. What we are doing, zip, we are zipping two functions or the two method of the dictionary, that is keys method and then the values method. Keys method will give you all the keys of the dictionary and values method will give you all the values of the dictionary. So, combining both together, we are displaying using the zip function. How we are going to combine both the methods? Using the zip function. This is how we can traverse the dictionary, or we can print the values within the dictionary. That's all about the dictionary. Thank you.